So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a two-dimensional stacked column chart to your presentation on Keynote. So once Keynote's opened up, to add a chart, go to the top bar right here to where it says chart and press on chart. Now under 2D, if you want a stacked column chart, it's the second chart right here. But if you're not too sure which chart is what, simply just press on whatever chart you're looking for, and then to verify, press on the chart right here, go down to the bottom right to where it says chart type, and 2D stacked column chart is right here. So for example, if you're on a bar chart and you want to change to a stacked column chart, press stacked column right there, and voila, you have it. So very basic, very straightforward. That is how to add a 2D or two-dimensional stacked column chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.